Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I actually zoomed the camera very close to my face because I got a lot of questions on my eyebrows, how I actually achieve my eyebrows daily. So I decided to do a video for you guys just to keep you guys updated on how I do my eyebrows. How I do my eyebrows as of last year and now can't be compared at all. So yeah, the first thing you need is a concealer, and this is actually from Melanie and it is gold beige in color 2. So you also need an angle brush. Here's an angle brush. You need this kind of brush too, just to blend the concealers. You also need a spoolie brush or a mascara one, depending on what you call it, but it looks like a mascara brush. You also call it spoolie brush too. Then you need a primer. This one is called Pond primer. You also need this is a brow filler. Okay, this one is from H&E, Hega and Esther brow filler in brown. And then this is kuddy brow gel. The names of everything on the description box, there are two. This one is the colorless and this is brownish. And then brow pencil, this one is from Air Woman. And then you also need a powder too. And then you also need a baby wipe. I actually use baby wipe instead of face wipe. And this particular one is called Angel. This is called Angel. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to clean off my brows so that it will be very, very neat. Like as you can see, it's kind of dirty right now. So just to clean it off. I actually moisturize my face with Black Opal moisturizer, and it's oil free. I do that first before applying my primer. So I will still go ahead to like moisturize my brows first before applying primer. So I'm just going to take a little pump, on my hand, just little, because I don't want it to be too much. Then I'll apply it on my brows before going in with the primer. So now I'm going to go in with Pond's lasting oil control. So I'm just going to take like this much on my brows, and then I'll quickly try to like make it set on my brows very well, and then because it dries very fast, so that's why I'm brushing so that it won't be white. First thing I'm going to do now is just to measure my brows, just to know the beginning, the arc, and then the end side. So like right now I can see like the ending part of my brow, and here is my arc. Here's my arc and here's the beginning part. So I'm going to like use the pencil. Then I'm going to use my spoolie brush just to know the direction. Let's try to use like a very sharp pencil. So I'm just going to follow my brows gradually. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do the same by following it upwards. Then when I reach my arc, I have to stop, then try to like draw the line to meet the down part of my brows, or the down line I drew initially. Do the same on this side. So what I'm going to do is just to fill in the space, but very lightly, like totally lightly. So it also came with a brush, and it's an angle brush too. So I'm going to use it to like fill in the brows very lightly, just the end parts. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to use a spoolie brush to blend everything, both the brow filler and the brow pencil, just to blend everything. So I'm not just going to brush it, I'm going to start from the tip, the beginning of the brows. I'm just going to start by brushing it upwards so that it will totally look tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin, and just levitate. So once I'm done with that, we go in with concealer and angle brush too, just to define the brows properly. That's the down part of the brows, and I'm using like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. The essence of this is just to make the brows look totally and then it's actually looking natural right now, because when I was actually using when I was actually carving my brows, I didn't really remove all the hairs, all my brow hairs. What I did was just to make it look neat. Maybe I'll just do like a part 2 of this, so that I'll start from the beginning, from carving of the brows, and then down. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever. We just use it to blend everything seamlessly, so that there won't be any demarcations and harsh lines. The next thing I'm going to do right now is just to define the top part of my brows, and I'm going to use my all-time favorite Mary Kay foundation. This is my shade and it's 507. So I'm going to use it to define the top part of my brows, so that there won't be any lines. And this is actually my shade. It's always good to use your shade. So now I'm going to use this kuddy eyebrow setting gel to like set the brows, so that they will look totally natural. Finally you still go on to blend everything, so that just make sure everything is totally natural. And yeah, we are done.